Oh man, it's gorgeous out here. Time to get going. Got some sleep last night. I was super tired last night. I don't know if you remember that. I don't know if you remember that, really. Of course you remember that. I was super tired last night. Got some sleep. Today's gonna be a good day of driving. Yeah, it's 8:30. Truck's running, getting warmed up. Sorry, get away from that, it's loud. All right, truck's warming up. Got the jacks up. All I gotta do now, put the slides in. Gonna be going through Flagstaff, Arizona today and over to Gallup, New Mexico. And we'll be staying at a Cracker Barrel in Gallup tonight, I think. But not a super long drive, so I'm gonna be taking it easy.
Let's get this show on the road.
See if I can get out of here without getting stuck. The beach seems a lot rockier than it did last year when we were here. So it's a lot more compacted. It's not super soft sand, at least not where I'm driving. So there's patches of it, so I guess gotta watch out for it. I think I'll be all right. Quick little stop this morning. Go check out the dam. I've been here before. It's in one of my other videos as well. Woo! It's a long way. Oh, I don't like heights. It's a long way down. Almost to Winona, Arizona. Nothing special about that, but I just had to say, Winona, Arizona. That's fun. Whose dumb idea was this? I didn't get a chance to wash the trailer before I left, so I decided to find a Blue Beacon truck wash. I'm gonna probably be sitting in this line of trucks to get washed. Probably be sitting here for an hour or more, easy. Do me a favor, would you hit the like button down below and that subscribe button? You do both those things, man, and YouTube might think I'm actually not sucking as bad as I think I suck. Yeah, just Gallup, New Mexico, rush hour traffic. What the crap? I'm now a fan of RV Trip Wizard, RV Safe GPS. I'm like, oh, I'll just use Apple Maps because it's easier to use. Take me to Cracker Barrel and Gallup. I'm driving along and bam, half mile ahead, 13-foot, 2-inch bridge. Watch me doing a freaking 3-point turn with a 38-foot trailer. Yeah, that was fun. I just ate at Cracker Barrel. Their parking lot is ridiculously small, no room to park anywhere there. There is a Home Depot just across the street. So I parked there, asked them if I could stay there. They're like, oh yeah, everybody stays here. I'm like, sweet. So I'm in a parking lot at Home Depot. The freeway is just over there, so it's gonna be kind of loud. Hopefully nobody bothers me in the middle of the night. Let's see, besides that, I need to start editing this video because it's 6:30 and I want to get some sleep tonight and get this video edited.